Presenting Sony X80AJ 65 inches Smart LED TV. It has a resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels. This is a 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV. It is equipped with 60 Hz refresh rate. The TV is powered by X1 4K processor, which produces beautiful colors, contrast and clarity. With 4K X Reality Pro, even Full HD videos are upscaled to close to 4K resolution. Enjoy smooth and sharp details even in fast-moving sequences and gaming with Motion Flow XR200. Triluminous Pro display reproduces a wider, more precise range of colors. With object-based HDR remaster, the color in individual objects on screen is analyzed and the contrast adjusted. It has a viewing angle of 178 degrees. It has built-in Chromecast. The TV can be connected with Google TV, Apple Airplay or Apple Homekit. The TV can be controlled through voice search with Google Assistant and Alexa. The TV is Bluetooth compatible. It is equipped with 4 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. X Protection Pro consists of primary capacitor keeping your TV stable during sudden electrical power surges and against lightning strikes of up to 9000 volts with a lightning protector. Anti-humidity coating on the wiring prevents short circuits caused by high moisture. With no ventilation holes, dust accumulation is prevented. This TV produces 20 watts output sound with X balanced speaker and bass reflex speakers with ambient optimization. The bass reflex speaker delivers impressive low-end sound that's well suited to movies, sport and music. With Dolby Atmos, sound comes from above as well as from the sides, so you can hear objects moving overhead with more realism for a truly multi-dimensional experience. Inside the box, you will find one LED TV, one warranty card, one AC adapter, one AC power cord, one remote control, one tabletop stand, one user manual, 2 AAA batteries. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page.